In quiet lakes and slow-moving rivers across Norway, there are stories of music heard when no one is there. Soft, melancholic, carried across the water. People said it came from something beneath the surface. A presence known as Naken, not seen clearly, only heard. A figure by the water, playing a violin no one else could hear. Some believe the music was meant to draw people closer, step by step toward the edge, not with force, but with something harder to resist. Curiosity. Or perhaps it was only wind across the water, shaping sound into something familiar. But even now, in places where the surface lies still, some say they still hear it. Old stories never truly sleep. Until next time, the water remembers. Vassrasen.